To my prospect employer, my name is Daisy Diamata. I am 32 years old. I'm married with 2 kids, 11 years old, 8 years old. I am Christian. I have completed caregiver course. My work experience here in Philippines, June 2018, June to 2020. They are 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 1 newborn. My duties responsibility are taking care of newborn. I do household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, car wash. To my second employer is Hong Kong, starting work April 2021 to November 2022. They are 4 members of the family, couple, and 1 baby, 6 months old, and 1 kids, 10 years old. My duties responsibility, I take care the kid and baby. I do household chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, and tutoring. I am trustworthy person, honesty person, hardworking person. To my prospect employer, please hire me. I will do my best and I will promise to you finish my contract. Thank you and good day.